And now we are going to the next part. It's going to be the dip. And it's going to look like this. We're going backward, ladies left leg backward, men right leg backward, 1. Now, ladies right foot forward, men left foot forward, that's 2. One more time away on 3. Ladies, you're taking a step with your right leg forward while wrapping in your partner's arms. And now the men's perspective. The rule is that whenever we're going away and toward each other, we're going to be going with our right leg backward and left leg forward. While taking our last step forward, we have to go slightly to the side to get out of the partner's way, while raising our left hand up and helping the partner to wrap into our arms. Avoid pulling the hand toward yourself, keep it above the lady's head. You will finish this part side to side. In the next part, lady is going to unwrap, going into the clockwise spin, starting with the right leg. 1, together, and now away with the right leg to the side. Now for the man, we are letting go with our left hand. We can help the partner unwrap a little bit with our right hand, and we're waiting until she finishes the turn, and then we're together going away from each other. Now ladies are gonna go back to the partners, taking small steps, starting with the left leg, going 1, 2, 3, 4, taking 4 steps, stopping in front of your partner. At the end, you're switching your body weight onto your right leg while twisting a little bit to be side to the partner and going into the dip. Keep your body weight on your right leg and bend the right knee a little bit. Keep the other leg straight and keep your hips high. Avoid sitting down, avoid leaning on your partner too much. Keep your own balance as much as you can. Now, the way a man can help with the dip is to lead the partner in front of yourself. Not into you, but in front. Now, in order to lead this, we're gonna draw a shape of 6 with our right hand, pulling toward and then making a circle. As you can see, meanwhile, I've switched my body weight onto my right leg. Thanks to this, I'm closer to my partner. I'm placing my hands around her to support her, and then together we're switching the body weight. I'm going on my left leg and bending the left knee. The most important part is not to lean over your partner. The way you want to do this is switch your body weight and then bend your left knee, keeping your upper body straight, spine straight, keeping the other leg straight. I am twisting a little bit, rotating my body, and then letting the partner go into the dip with my hands, not the upper body. Let's do it one more time. Away. Now spinning with 4 steps. And now into the dip, 1, 2.